Hey guys, welcome back to Trench Media. Hey, today on my Jeep JL, we're gonna put some fenders on it. Hooke Road was nice enough to send me some fenders to do on this, so this video is sponsored by Hooke Road. Links up in the bio, you can check them out and everything like that. Link will be in the description for these fenders. These fenders here are pretty cool looking. It'd be something different. You know, the red fenders, they're cool and everything like that, the paint match and all that. Everybody's got it. So I wanted something different. So Hooke Road, hook me up. So thank you guys. Let's get right into it. Let's open the box up and see what we got in it. Instructions right here. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna look good on there, boy. Yeah. The rear ones, pretty good size, pretty wide. Looks good. And we'll go over all the details of it here in a second. Check all the welds on it and stuff like that. And your hardware. All right, guys, since we got everything unpacked and everything like that, let me show you here. Hardware, comes with all the hardware you need, no tools. We'll go over the tools here in just a minute. Get you a cool ass little sticker. Boom. Instructions. If you want to look at them and stuff like that in the video, I'm gonna show you how to do everything, so you shouldn't need it. And then we got some brackets here too for them. So we got some little brackets here, these little brackets here. So we'll go figure out which ones will go left, right, front, back. We'll go over all that crap. Of course, fenders are here. Let's grab one of these. Take a look at it. It looks pretty fair. I mean, for the price and everything like that. I mean, it's better than plastic. It'll give you a little more protection. Not too bad. Got a little lot there. And it looks like you got some pins you got to pull and put in, which, you know, really ain't no big deal at all. We'll go over that too to show you that. So, not too bad. Quality seems okay. Hard to tell on the welds because they coated it with everything. They look fair. They look fair. Not the best, but they look fair. You know, for the price point, man, can't beat it, you know. If I don't like it, I'll just put my stock fenders back on there. Ain't too hard to put this on there. So this is the front one. All the other ones kind of look basically the same, so we'll go through every single one when we're installing it. But I just want to show you what's in the kit. Kind of like to get everything lined up, you know, the hardware and stuff, all the nuts and bolts and everything all together. Just makes it a little easier when you're doing the install. Note to self. All right, the first thing you want to do is you're going to push these little pins. So get you a little pick, push it through each one. Put it in the hole. Boom. Boom. Big old tires kind of make it kind of hard to get in these. Break on me. See that one broke on me. So they're breaking on me. I'm not gonna worry about them. I'm just gonna yank them out of there. There's that one. There's that one. set. Okay, gonna show you this real quick. This is the connector for the light. It's a little red clip, that little red clip, it'll pull out like that. And you should be able to squeeze that little black part, unplug. Every single one of my plastic clips were breaking. So there was no sense of them, they're just rotted out. I mean, they're just dried out. Gonna get these here, this one clip. There she is. There you go. That's all there is to it. Same thing on these. This. So there's little plastic clips, replaceable if you want them, but I'm not going to dick around with them. Get them off of there. For your pop rivets is it does have like these little bearings. As you can see, so make sure you have it just like that. So the brass bearing in the middle, 2 washers there. That one there, that one there, that one, and that one. We'll tighten them up real quick. And we'll be good to go. Out them all. One thing I will say I don't like about it is I wish it came with all the rivets for the front and the rear. Why they don't do that, I don't know. So like the other side, I put 2 here and 1 up here because I thought it was on all of them. It's not. It's only this back one because these other ones are accessible for nuts. So this one here, I'm gonna have to use long pliers, the nut, try to get it in there. Just kind of showing y'all my mistake. Just showing you guys this. So the white and green one, that one right there is your power for your turn signal. The one in the middle, the black one, I guess right next to it actually, is your ground. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm not gonna take the wirings out of my Fenders, so I'll probably sell those. I'll make sure I cut it back far enough where I can always put it back together if I need to. So we'll clip that one. We'll put one next to it. Pull those back down out of the way. So we got those on there now. We'll heat them up. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tape all this up. Including okay, the passenger side, I had to push the connector up through here, remove these two ground wires, so I have a little enough room to get to it right there. So got the black one done. Gonna do my power now. Should be about done then. One thing I did notice though was these here are kind of pain in the ass on the inside, especially that one there. These just basically just hold in the little turn singles. If I was you, before you put them on there, go ahead and make sure they're set in there good and make sure they're tight, because I had to deal with it and it was a pain in the butt. Just a little tip. All right, all on there. So you got the wire tucked in that one over there. Everything looks good. Yeah. Definitely need some inner liners now. Gonna have to get some of them. Gonna have to get some. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, this one here was a little more pain in the ass on the passenger side. Not much room in there to actually get it there. But no, it worked out all right though. But no, it looks pretty good. Happy with it. Happy with it. Turn singles, gonna have to figure that out because I got regular ones in the back, so they do flash fast inside the cab. Let me show you. Okay, showing. See if I can get it in there. See how the flash is going. But on the outside, it's going normal. That's all I care about. The back same way, it's going normal. You'll have the Aris's turn signal out. You'll have to ignore that. You can flash it, but I don't know if you flash it to LEDs since your front ones are that way. But it works all right though. A little more clearance now. I like it. I like it a lot.